Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a topic that a lot of people struggle with: how to lose weight in your face. Losing weight in your face can be challenging, but it is possible with the right approach. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks that can help you slim down your face and get the results you want. So, if you're ready to learn how to lose weight in your face, let's get started. Understanding facial weight gain. Before we dive into the tips and tricks for losing weight in your face, it's important to understand why we gain weight in our face in the first place. There are several factors that can contribute to facial weight gain, including genetics, aging, dehydration, and an unhealthy diet. Additionally, stress and lack of sleep can also contribute to weight gain in the face. So, if you're looking to slim down your face, it's important to address these underlying factors and make changes to your lifestyle that can help you reach your goals. Tips for losing weight in your face. Now that we understand the factors that contribute to facial weight gain, let's talk about some tips and tricks that can help you lose weight in your face. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is one of the most important things you can do to lose weight in your face. Dehydration can cause your face to look puffy and bloated, so it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day to help keep your skin hydrated and reduce swelling. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and avoid sugary drinks and caffeine, which can dehydrate your body. Tip 2. Watch your sodium intake. Sodium can also contribute to water retention and facial swelling, so it's important to be mindful of your sodium intake. Try to limit your sodium intake to no more than 2,300 mg per day, and opt for low-sodium versions of your favorite foods. Tip 3. Incorporate face exercises into your routine. Facial exercises can help tone and tighten the muscles in your face, which can help reduce the appearance of a double chin and other areas of facial fat. Some effective facial exercises include chewing gum. Chewing gum can help tone the muscles in your jaw and reduce the appearance of a double chin. Fish face. Pucker your lips and suck in your cheeks to form a fish face. Hold for 10 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Neck rolls. Tilt your head back and roll your neck in a circular motion to help tone the muscles in your neck and reduce the appearance of a double chin. Tip 4. Get plenty of sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for overall health, and it can also help you lose weight in your face. When you're tired, your body produces more cortisol, which can cause water retention and facial swelling. Aim to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help reduce cortisol levels and keep your face looking slim and toned. Tip 5. Reduce stress. Stress can also contribute to weight gain in the face, as well as lead to overeating and a sedentary lifestyle. To reduce stress, try incorporating stress management techniques into your daily routine, such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature. Conclusion. In conclusion, losing weight in your face can be challenging, but it's definitely possible with the right approach. By staying hydrated, limiting your sodium intake, incorporating facial exercises into your routine, getting enough sleep, and reducing stress, you can help slim down your face and reach your weight loss goals. Remember, the key to success is consistency and patience. It may take some time to see results, but with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve the slim and toned face you've always wanted. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for anyone looking to lose weight in their face. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips, and I'll see you in the next